Welcome back, fellow maidens. It is I, the Dark Fair Maiden, and we are back with another spooky special tutorial, and this time round we are doing the Corpse Bride. So we are starting off with the brows. We are just going to flatten those a little bit with some pritt. You want to give them 2 layers of the pritt just to make sure they stick down nicely. And you can use a eyebrow comb to kind of just comb that through. Next I go in with Snazaroo white face paint. Make sure your face is washed beforehand because you don't want your face to be oily, as this can make the paint harder to stick to your face. So I give 2 coats of white just to kind of give myself a base to work on, to make sure the blue will be really blue when I apply it. And then I go in with the blue face paint. So I kind of just apply this all over my face, apart from the nose area, as I will apply white later on and I don't want to have to reapply to my nose. I then go over with some white around my cheekbones and forehead, just to kind of create like a lighter area in the center of my face. To create an emphasis on the shadows of my face, I use a darker blue. To kind of create that emphasis on my eyes. Then, using the black face paint, I apply my eyebrows. I also apply some of the face paint around my eyes. You can use eyeliner, I just decided to use face paint as I had it at hand. And also I applied some of the black face paint to my nose. She has like these kind of weird nostrils, I suppose you call them, yeah, nostrils. So I kind of tried to make these pointy. Then you can add some cuts along her face. This doesn't have to be too complicated, just a few kind of black scars I think looks fine. And then I use some eyeshadow to kind of get that rosy pale base for my lips. And then I apply the false eyelashes again. I'm very inexperienced in using false eyelashes, so I'm not gonna say I can do it very well, but these do look really nice. And here we have the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this spooky corpse video. Thank you all very much for watching, and farewell.